In a quiet corner of the Midwest, Watheroo National Park is entering a bold new chapter through the ambitious Watheroo Region Conservation Program.
It's hugely exciting because this is one of the largest conservation projects happening in this part of the Turquoise Coast, and it's really going to be great to see the outcomes.
So big picture in that national park is to identify the threats and hopefully protect the native species so that they are able to increase their numbers and one day maybe look at reintroducing species.
To restore landscapes at this scale, Parks and Wildlife is working alongside its neighbours.
Undertaking conservation projects on a landscape scale requires working with a range of stakeholders, and that includes, in this case, as our neighbours, Woodside. We already undertake a range of operations at Watheroo, but working alongside Woodside has provided us with the opportunity to take on and provide feral animal management and understanding the unique values that exist in Watheroo and working towards their conservation.
We own 16,000 hectares of land adjacent to the National Park. We bought that land to plant a diverse range of species to help offset our carbon emissions.
So working with DBCA through this voluntary partnership allows us to have much more broad-scale outcomes for conservation than we could have on our own. And I think that we're both pretty excited to see what the future has in store for the area.
Work has already begun.
We set up a camera standard array throughout the park. We found that rabbits and goats and foxes are a severe presence in Watheroo, and they're having quite a significant impact.
Really important that we remove the ferals so that the predation on the native animals is significantly reduced so they can build up their population again. Also looking at the herbivores, so goats and rabbits, so that the native flora and some protected flora is able to recuperate.
Despite the impact of feral animals, some native species are holding on.
There's a large western grey kangaroo population. We've also seen little long-tailed dunnarts, which is really exciting, and malleefowl, who is a protected species. Last year, Woodside funded a LiDAR survey and can tell us where potential malleefowl mounds are. So the LiDAR detected 577 mounds. It is amazing to think that potentially all those mounds were active at some point, yeah.
With targeted conservation action already unfolding, the park will continue to evolve as a crucial local refuge for native plants and animals.
Yeah, it feels great. I mean, any way to help the environment is, what drives me, and it's just fun to be a part of it.
I feel very privileged to be part of it. It's really exciting, and I can't wait to see the impacts in 1, 2, 3 and many more years to come. Because hopefully in 10 years' time, Watheroo will be the next Dryandra.